Hello, good people. Hello, good people. I just would like to give you this analysis on the Nzdchf. Before I begin with this analysis, I just want to mention one thing that is very much important in this forex business. That your success in this business is not only being determined by how much you reach your targets, but it is only be determined by the knowledge of risk management. So it is very much important for everyone who is in this business to ensure that they learn how to manage their money. Your money is important. Your money is very much important. That is one of those things that most of traders we keep it hidden. Some traders will never show their losses on how much they lose, but they will only be show you how much they earn in the market. Your success is not determined by how much you reach your targets, but it's also be determined by your risk management. So you need to be strict on your risk management. You need to be concerned about your money than your analysis. Your money always comes first, right? Let's share this NZDCHF on how I look at it. I look at this on the weekly time frame. I think we're having a high probability trade on this NZDCHF. Weekly time frame shows me that there is a possibility, shows me that there's a possibility for us to end up trading this harmonic pattern. Therefore, I'm expecting this to drop. The way I look at it, this looks more like the what you call the bad pattern. So this can drop up to 88% of this move to the upside, right? This is in the compression form. You can only see that this is compressing, is doing nothing but is correcting. Some they can call it correction, I call it compression. So what you can see that here we moved 1, 2, 3 to the downside. After that 1, 2, 3 to the downside, we have this corrective structure to the upside. Therefore, I'm expecting that this is going to give a three-wave structure again to the downside, which is going to be this. You can see that the market here is starting to correct. So we can expect that this is going to give one more push to the downside. So I'm expecting that this is going to come to 0.59331. This. Before we can start to see any move that will be going to the upside. So be prepared, ladies and gentlemen, that this before pushing up will still gonna go down. Right? That's the weekly time frame. I'm expecting that this is gonna give us this bad pattern on the on a weekly time frame. Okay, let's drop down, go to daily, or even drop further to 8 hour. Let's see what is exactly happening. What is the structure currently doing on the smaller time frame? Do we have any probabilities on a smaller time frame? We can all see that the market is doing nothing except that it's busy moving sideways. Fuck. I move this. Let me just delete it. Just delete this. Okay. So we can see that here we are having this starting to correct in this map. So there's a possibility that this can be a move to the downside, or this market, if this is not a move that is going down yet, it means this market can do this. This is a three-wave move, we can all see. Therefore the market can probably give this and maybe start to give this again, forming a bigger corrective structure that will take us down here to these levels. Okay, this can be a big corrective structure, can be more sideways if I look on the 8 hour. If this three-wave structure is not the one that is going down, therefore we can see a more of this that can probably give us what we call a WXY structure before it moves to the downside. Nothing I'm expecting from the Nzdchf, but any move down. So if we have to plan properly, we can expect that this can push a little bit up, and you think that is going and it's gonna come to the downside. We can only see, let's go down again and see what is happening. Do we have a trade on the next coming week on this one? What exactly are we expecting to see, expecting to get on this one here? Okay, this looks like a more beautiful corrective structure. We can see that this, there's a possibility that this will still uh, push to the upside. If it does not push like this, it might push like this, drop like this, and push up like that before they come down. Right? So there's a possibility that they will come visit this low. If this pushes up like that, then we can expect that it's gonna come down. Okay, that's the 4 hour. 1 hour. Let's see what we're having on the 1 hour time frame. On the same pair and the DCHF. What probabilities do we have? Yeah, the market is doing nothing except correcting. Okay, you can see that over here we have this nice corrective structure that is currently playing out here. If you don't view it from here, we can take it up from to this one. You can see that here we have this impulse coming down. This is nothing but the corrective structure here. So we're going to expect that this is going to push again to the downside from this level coming to this low here. Okay, as I just said, that this can even push to the upside before it drops to the downside. If that does not happen, we're going to be looking for, if this breaks the low, maybe come impulsively like that, we're going to expect to get a corrective structure, maybe start to join from there, because we're having a confirmation that this is going down. The middle leg, let's see. If you look at this on a higher time frame, you might think that this all right. Okay, guys. Yeah, no, that's what we can expect. This is the move like to do this and come down, or expect that this will come down from these levels. If it breaks out here, it will come down from here. And that TCHF, remember, you always protect yourself from the market. You never know what the market will do next. All we do, we try to speculate what we see in terms of structures, but the market can do anything. So it's always protect yourself. Always protect yourself. Always, if you get into the market, always protect yourself. It doesn't matter whether you bought signals or you did whatever. Always, if your boss or your mentor says buy, you don't just buy because your mentor says buy, but you need to ensure before buying that you are risking what you are willing to lose. Okay, because if shit happens, you start blaming everyone. Cheers, guys. That's me. Just enjoy. Bye.